Here we have a gorgeous 1972 Buick Estate Wagon. Talk about a car you don't see very often. This car just came into us on trade here at Unique Classic Cars. This is a 455 powered V8 wagon. The 71 and 72 Estate wagons are pretty sought after because they still have the big motor in them, and of course they ride and drive like a dream. This car is still wearing its mostly original paint, by the way. Sandalwood is the name of the original color on the car, and overall it still shows very, very well. There's a few touch-ups and things like that, so I'm not going to say it's 100% original paint, but you will see as we go around that this car is largely a survivor, which to me makes that even more special. The car's very solid around the outside and underneath. You'll be able to see that on the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. So as I mentioned, this car came into us on trade, and there was a gentleman that collected the bigger Buicks like this, and he took good care of this one. There's no doubt about that. The other thing that is really unique about this car is that it has also the original build sheet, which is great because it shows all of the extra equipment this car was ordered with, including the factory vinyl roof. It's got heavy-duty cooling. Excuse me. It's got what they call the glide-away tailgate, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Very, very cool feature on this car. Let's take a look at the inside here quick. And of course it's loaded with most of the Buick bells and whistles. Got power door locks, power driver's seat, tilt wheel, factory air conditioning. Take a look at that dash. Very, very clean, straight, no cracks. The upholstery in the car is in great shape, as you can see. Haven't seen any rips or tears or anything like that. Headliner's in good shape, nice and tight actually. Take a look at the dash a little more here. There's your wiper switch. Climate controls right here. Here's the switch for the power tailgate. I'll demonstrate that here in a little while. And the rear window. Car has 70,000 believed to be original miles on the car. It certainly shows, so but we'll leave that final decision up to you, but we believe it to be 70,000 miles. Previous owner stated it was actual miles as well. Also has factory cruise, and again the dash is impeccable, very, very clean. It's not all busted up or anything like that. Now, as I'm showing you the back seat here, you might notice that the front seat has cloth. As you can see there, the back seat is vinyl. And if you look at the build sheet, that is the way this car was ordered specifically for that. Now, who knows, maybe they had a bunch of kids or something originally and wanted it to clean up spills easier, who knows, but that is how this car was ordered from the factory, brand new. Take a look at the other side here just to show you that. Again, mostly original car, mostly original paint. There are a few spots you can tell that have been touched up over the years or things like this, but to find one of these in survivor mode is pretty special. All right, let's go around to the back and I'll show you one of the really neat features of the car. Notice the key, I've got in the keyhole right here. So I'm going to turn that, and you get to watch how this works. Pretty neat. Buick called this the glide away tailgate. The nice thing is and the selling feature of that when it was new was for that you can walk right up to the rear bumper and get your cargo out of the back without having to lean over the tailgate. Very, very cool feature, and as you saw in the video, it works excellent. So then there's storage under here. It does have the someone put a chain on there so you can reach it easier. The original smog pump is in here, as well as the original jack. And again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's a few things here I'll show you. There have been some touch-ups, like they say the hood's got a few spots right here. At one point, previous owners must have had something mounted here. I'm not sure what that was about, but I want to show you that. But again, for mostly original paint, this car shows very, very well. Still equipped with the Buick chrome rally wheels, and they're in good shape as well. All right, I'm going to pause the video here. We'll open the hood and get it fired up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here we are back inside. Take a look at the dash here, get her fired up. There we go. She's idling nice. Now again, this car is powered by 455 V8. This is what the car was born with, as you can see here. It is a factory air-conditioned car, but as you can see, the belt is off the compressor. So the equipment is there, but obviously it is not blowing cold currently. It's equipped with power steering, power brakes as well. Factory cruise control. Nice and straight body lines. We'll go around back so you can hear what it sounds like back there. What a cool wagon. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered. Financing is available as well. This one is ready to be in your garage now.